Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering what matters. Open your Google Doc and the source files next to it so you can copy exact details. Once done, enable the sources sidebar or create a small reference list in a new document to track entries. Make sure to decide which citation style you must use, APA, MLA, Chicago, or numbered, because that choice determines order, punctuation, and whether you use author date versus footnotes. Now, proceed to replace broken links and missing author data. Now you fix each reference. Copy authoritative data from sources and replace broken URLs with DOIs or archived links when possible, because persistent links reduce future breaks. Then standardize author names, dates, titles, and punctuation to match your selected citation style, since consistency prevents grading or publication errors. Use the Google Docs citation tool for bibliography entries, or insert manual footnotes if required. Just make sure you stick to one method throughout the document to avoid duplicate. To finish, generate or update the bibliography and arrange entries alphabetically or numerically as your style requires. This creates the master reference list. Then, systematically cross-check every in-text citation to confirm it points to a matching bibliography entry. If an in-text citation lacks a match, search your reference list or source files and either add the missing entry or correct the citation tag. Finally, save a backup copy. If entries still mismatch, run a quick find for the citation label to locate typos and resolve them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.